Excerpt from the Keylontic Dictionary. Reference: the Catarabu Spiritual Healing System course. Definition for the music of the spheres. The music of the spheres represent the organic tonal sequence of each dimensional frequency band within the 50-dimensional time matrix. The consolidated core vibrational sound signature of each dimensional frequency bands. See also the definition for sacred sounds. Of the 50 core vibrational signatures of the 50 dimensions in a time matrix, 12 of these core signatures serve as the primary 12 tonal sequence upon which each strand of the 12-strand original human DNA template and each axiom line in the 4-density planetary shields are structured. Using the tone sequence of the music of the spheres, the 12-strand DNA template can be progressively brought into natural activation. Scalar wave distortions within the template for the DNA strands, which physically manifest as genetic distortions, can be systematically realigned with the natural perfect 12-dimensional organic divine imprint. In ancient days, the music of the spheres was used extensively for purpose of self-generated healing and to prepare the physical body for literal passage through the planetary stargates. Check the definition for ascension. The specific tone sequences for each singular dimension, which corresponded to one DNA strand template in the 12-strand blueprint and the inherent dimension of consciousness that would embody through the activation of the strand, as called songs of the spheres. Each song contained a very specific word sounds from the first universal spoken language. See the definition for Anunnaki language. For lyrics and specific multi-layered tones, which generated inaudible three-tones sounding waves for melody, harmony, and overtones. To be effective, the songs had to be used through the human voice, externally or mentally, as the singing of songs. The sacred sounds, you can also see the definition for that, were sung in combination with directing specific corresponding color and symbol sequences through the bioenergetic field, or through the planetary axiom lines for planetary shield work. The science of the music of the spheres was one of the most highly guarded sacred secrets in pre-ancient cultures, due to the power of interdimensional freedom and conscious manifestation that could be obtained through the knowledgeable use of the songs. End of the definition. From the Catarabu Spiritual Healing System course, page 4. Part of the MCO Freedom Teaching series. Copyright Yesha Sheana Arias.